In 60 seconds, replace the MacBook Pro 13-inch M2 battery safely. Gather a pentalobe and tri-point screwdriver, a plastic spudger, picks, and an ESD mat. Power off the MacBook and disconnect all cables before starting. Remove the 6 bottom screws with a pentalobe driver. Lift the lower case to reveal the internals and check battery location. Open System Settings and take a screenshot of battery health and cycle count for records. Use a plastic spudger to gently disconnect the battery connector from logic. Remove the bracket screws securing the battery and lift the bracket off. Carefully pry the battery free from the casing, lifting by the cell edges and avoiding flexing. Place the new battery, align connectors, press the connector firmly into place, and replace the bracket. Reattach the lowercase screws evenly, then power on and check battery health again. Dispose the old battery at a recycling center and consult a certified technician if unsure.